All right, good morning. This is Romy with RC Auto Detailing Carpet Cleaning, and today we're going to talk a little bit about headlight restoration. So I've done multiple videos on this before, but I just wanted you to know what we actually have going on, what it looks like, what to expect out of results. We have looked for years and years. We've been buying the same product for quite a few years now, and there's a couple of things on why you would want to get your headlights restored. First off, it's a great gift. There's a couple of things we look at. So our headlight restoration kit, it's going to make your car look better overall. It's going to be a much better looking vehicle. You can see farther at night. Probably more important, people can see you at night. Because what happens is over time, what we end up with here is this is a sample headlight we have. This is a part that's been restored. This is the middle sanding bit and before restoration. You can see there's some oxidation on top here. This happens when the sun's beating down on it, dirt gets embedded into it. It loses that plastic coating, the OEM plastic coating, which is a hard coat. And when that goes, everything starts to peel off. It looks dry. They get yellowed. They kind of look faded out. It makes your whole vehicle look bad. So our job is to get them sanded down and bring them back to new. So to help us with that, we use the Easy One headlight restoration kit. Pretty simple to use. We sell it two ways. We can do it for you. You can come pick it up, buy it on our website. We can ship it to you. So you can get a kit just on your own, or you can come in and have us do the restoration. All of it just kind of depends on the size and the time it takes. The worse the condition the headlights are in, the longer it's going to take, the little more it's going to cost on the prep side. So I'm saying this because we've had some headlights, and I looked at them the other day for a Volvo XC90, and the XC90's headlights run about $375 each if you were to buy new to replace them, and then we charge about $150 an install-ish on that side frame. Prices change all the time, so could be up, could be less, could be more. But with this headlight restoration kit, you're able to do it on your own. You can buy it on our website again, or you can have us do it for you, and it turns them from that yellow, faded, into a brand new looking headlight. These kits we've used for years, to the point to where we start stocking them and selling them because they work so well. And the way they work, it's really simple. Instructions are simple inside this foil packet. You rip it open. Inside of there, it's going to have you use the little Scotch-Brite, sand down. It's not really sanding, but you're going to clean up the headlights and spend extra time here. Make sure that they're smooth. As soon as they're smooth to the touch, using their diamond dust that they call it, as soon as that's smooth to the touch, clean it off with an alcohol wipe pad, and then you've got a small container, a little vial, and that is the dressing that we're going to put over the end of it. So it's kind of a hardened coating that goes on at the very end, self-levels to keep it clear. They also include an extra product, so it's called a shield guard. It goes on here in about 6 months, and that'll just extend the life. So we give a 1-year warranty on the product. The manufacturer, you can mail the card back in for $10 additional. They give you a 2-year warranty on it. So great product, works extremely well, better than anything I've bought at a local stores in town. Much better. Huge difference between the two. Simple to use. It truly works. Makes your headlights look damn near new again. So give me a call. This is Romy with RC Auto Detailing Carpet Cleaning. Go to our website. Again, you can purchase these online or swing by one of our locations in Fort Collins or Greeley. Have a great day. Thank you.